Well, a week almost to this exact minute. Steve Grasso here walked over to that plasma over there, gave us the key levels to watch for this week, and he nailed it.
I think we will see this level again, the 2710 level, which was our recent low. If you want to lock in some profits, if we break the 200-day moving average, which is 2768, you can lock it in and try to play for a bounce off of this. If this level doesn't hold, kiss your kids. Don't go home.
All right, Grasso, why don't you head back over to that plasma and take us through the next levels you're watching.
Who kissed your kids, by the way?
I did, but I'm going home.
All right.
I'm going to go home.
Right.
So when you say, what does the market want to do and what do you want to do with the market, you have to say, well, there has no panic yet. So people have been sitting on their hands. So let's look at the charts and see if we can get any other information out of it. So these are back to the February lows. That level's 25. Wow. Let's scratch that. Clear. 25.32. Okay, so today we have a retracement here from this low to this high, gives you a bunch of retracements. Today we spanked it right on the nose here, 26.29. All right, it was fractions, it was decimals lower than that. So a slight break, which is a sign of weakness in the charts. The market wants this level. That's what the market is telling us. That's what we have to test. We have to test it in short order and then bounce from there. If we do not bounce from here, forget about kissing your kids. There's going to be no one home. Your house is getting taken away. This level, if we breach that level, you're talking about 100 handles lower for support.
See, yeah, why not 25.50? I mean, again, I know maybe we're splitting hairs at this point, but
Sure.
but I look at the blow-off top that we had into Jan 26, which then augured this period of enormous volatility we've had all year, and that's really the level we need to get back to, no?
So when you bring up the 25.50 level, that's actually this low right here. So if we tested that, Tim, I think that's okay. I just don't think that anything with a 26 handle is okay. You need a 25 handle to say this was a valid test of these low levels.
Hey, Steve, I'm wondering, can it happen in one day, or is it a process? We see like a bottoming process around 25.32.
I hope it happens in one day. And then you, of course, have the 3-day rule. That low has to hold for 3 consecutive days. You make a higher low. I was hoping it happened today. I wanted to see panic. You can bottom out on a panic day. We don't have panic yet, so there's no bottom in place just yet.
What's your inclination as to where we land next week? Do we test any of those levels?
Yeah, I think that we are going to test the levels. And the level that Tim points out, that 25.50 level right about here, that's a good level to start. But I think people want to test this level, 25.32. You got to have a sufficient test of the February lows. There's people already saying that that level is not going to hold. So you need a substantive test of that level to prove the bears wrong.